Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my morning skincare routine. So this skincare routine is pretty much for when I'm not wearing makeup. I do this routine. When I'm wearing makeup, I do a little bit different, but let's get started. So I already have my headband on, and I'm gonna put on these wrist things so that water doesn't drip down my wrist and get my clothes wet if I'm wearing long sleeves. I do like to wear these if I'm not wearing long sleeves. If I'm wearing just a short sleeve shirt or even a tank top, because I don't really like water going down on my arms, so I like to put these on. Okay, so we're gonna first start with a cleanser. I'm gonna take my ITK Melt-to-Foam Gentle Cleanser, but if I'm feeling a little lazy and if I am running a little late, I would go in with my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water in replace of the cleanser. But today we're going to use the actual cleanser. This is the ITK Melt-to-Foam Gentle Cleanser, one of my favorite cleansers. I absolutely love it. So what I am going to do, I'm actually going to take off my jewelry because I've always been doing that. I'm going to take a few pumps of that and then also get my hand wet and then first kind of emulsify it. And then something that I've been loving to do is also use my Foreo Luna 4. You guys seen me talk about this so much on my channel. It definitely has changed my skin so much. So I also like to wet it first and then squirt some of the cleanser on it. And then start just washing my face. So this is probably my only bathroom step for my morning skincare routine. All of my other skincare products are on in a drawer in my makeup table. So after we wash off the face, I'm going to go sit at my makeup table and do the rest of my skincare. So in the mornings when I'm using the Foreo Luna 4, I don't really use the app. There's no set thing of when I'm doing it in the morning. When I like to, for my nighttime skincare routine, I go in the app and I use the guided massage thing just to give a really nice massage and a nice cleanse. I'm gonna wash off the face wash and I'm going to pat dry. I'm going to use one of my favorite toners. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA pore-tight toner. I'm going to use my reusable cotton round. So I normally go in with a exfoliator for a morning skincare routine, but that's when I do when I'm wearing makeup, and today I'm not wearing any makeup, so I can just go ahead and go with my toner, because when I prep my skin for makeup, I don't use a lot of skincare products. I only use about 3 products when I'm doing a makeup, or when I'm prepping my skin. So since we are not doing any makeup, I'm just gonna do my normal skincare. Next, I'm actually gonna go in with an essence. This is the Jafra Royal Jelly Revitalize Essence. I really like this one. This one is really nice. Next, we're going to apply a serum. So I'm going to see how much I can get out of this, because this is almost out. I actually need to get some more of it, and it's one of my favorites. This is the ITK Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I think I'm going to get the hyaluronic acid serum one and the brightening serum, because I really do enjoy the ITK serums. That's how much I can get. For an eye cream, I have to go in between 3 eye creams. So I usually go in between the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo, the ITK Soothing Eye Stick, or the Jafra Royal Revitalize Longevity Eye Cream. I actually don't know which one I want to use today. I think I want to use the Jafra one. I'm going to pump some of that out. I did a little bit too much. That was my bad. And go under the eyes with this. And then also on the bony part of the lid, on the brow bone. For a moisturizer, I'm going to use something that's a little bit lighter today. I'm going to use the ITK Weightless Hydrating Moisturizer. I'm gonna bring this down my neck and onto my chest. I kind of like to wait about 60 seconds or 30 seconds before I apply each product. For sunscreen, today I'm going to use one of my favorites. This is the ITK Serum sunscreen. I also need to get more of this because I do really like this, and I actually do sometimes use this sunscreen all over my body, not just for the face. I like to get my neck and my chest and my ears. And for lips, I'm going to take this one. This is actually one of my favorites. This is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Gloss. So that was it for today's video. So I am going to be also doing my nighttime skincare routine. Keep a lookout for that video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!